second. So I think, is it visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So after this number is asked, okay, I'm just going to call someone. So whatever we have seen earlier, so I'm going to ask a question. Based on that, you're going to give your age, etc. Okay, your present interaction part, introducing or someone, including the age. Okay, so I repeat, le nombre. Nombre means numbers. The pronunciation of the numbers, 0 is pronounced as zero. 0 is pronounced as 0. Number 1, UN. How do you pronounce UN? We came across this word last class.
Uh,
Um,
Yes. Ah. Okay. Ah. Number 2 is pronounced as the. Number 2 is pronounced as the. Okay, THE. Okay, how do you pronounce THE in English? The same way it is pronounced. Number 2, the. Number 3 is pronounced as trois.
Trua.
Trois, yes. Trois. Number 4 is pronounced as quatre.
Sir, can you repeat the pronunciation for 3?
Trois. Trois.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 4 is pronounced as quatre. QU in French is pronounced as K. Okay. QU is pronounced as K. So number 4 is quatre. So remember the name Katrina. Okay. So you can remove INA and keep the rest. Quatre. Number 5 is pronounced as sank. Sank. Remember the word sink, SINK. Okay. Instead of I, you give a word or letter A, SANK. Sank.
Sir, here C is not followed by A or no, sir. Why should we pronounce like sank?
Sorry.
Here C is not followed by any E or S, A, no, sir.
Okay. Numbers. Okay. You are asking the pronunciation. So I told there are
Yes, sir.
exceptions too. Exceptions are there in the language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in number, you will come across some case we will pronounce the last letter, some case we don't pronounce the last letter in numbers, especially in numbers. Lot of exceptions are there in the numbers. Okay, so nothing can be done. You have to just go with the pronunciation which is already prefixed. So noun forms, the rules which I told are followed. There are exceptions too. Again, I'm telling there are exceptions too. Okay, number 6 is pronounced as seize. Number 6 is pronounced as
repeat that.
seize. Sorry.
I just asked you to repeat it, sir.
Okay, fine. Seize something. Okay, the police seized something. Number 7 is pronounced as set. Set.
Set.
Normally, P is not stressed. Okay, mostly if you get the sound of Seth, Seth, Seth Rollins, like the name. Okay, Seth. So P is very little bit stressed mostly. So September. Okay, like that. Yeah. Number 8 is pronounced as wheat. 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 Number 9 is pronounced as Nef. Nef. And number 10 is pronounced as these. These are my books. Okay, these. Again, I repeat all together. Number 0. Yes.
Can you repeat seven?
Yes.
What? 7.
Seth. Seth.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. All the numbers, les nombres, les chiffres. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the numbers 1 to 10. And 11 is pronounced as 11. Okay, from 11 to 20. Yes, correct. So once done, you can let me know. We can start with the pronunciation. So today I'm planning to complete the numbers till 10,000, so that I can ask you any numbers, and all the 10,000 numbers will be asked in your exam. Okay, 11 is pronounced as ounce. Ounce. 12 is pronounced as douze. 13 is pronounced as tres. 14, 14. 14. 15, cans. 16, says.
So can you pronounce 15?
Cans. Water cans, okay? Cans. Says. So how do you pronounce 17?
DZ.
Set. Be set.
Deset.
This
Yeah,
set.
deset. Yes. And 18?
So the week.
The with.
These nef.
The with.
These with.
The with.
Okay, these with. These with. So the set. These with. You are getting it? The set. These with. These nef. Bang. I told the numbers have a very exception case of pronunciation. So certain that you should not pronounce the last letter. Certain you need to pronounce the last letter. The previous word also. So you listen
Sir,
to
can
the
you pronounce 19
pronunciation
and 20 again?
yes, listen to the pronunciation and make note of it. Okay, so 17, 18, 19, 20. Diset, dix-huit, dix-neuf, dix-neuf, dix-huit, dix-neuf, and 20 is pronounced as vingt. Okay, so always remember the spelling VIN. So vingt. Vingt means VIN. Vingt in French is wine. Okay, the same pronunciation is given for number 20. So 20 is pronounced as vingt. So you guys are clear with the sounds? Okay, again I repeat: onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. Is that clear? Do you have doubts in that?
No, sir.
No? Fine. Okay. So now anyone can start the numbers from. I will teach only altogether maximum of 30 numbers. The rest you should learn on your own. You must or you should be able to learn on your own. So all I request is learn 0 to 20, memorize the numbers 0 to 20 thoroughly. And then you can proceed with 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's it. So you need not learn the entire numbers or set of numbers. So 0 to 20 is must. So I want someone to pronounce 0 to 20 all together, or 0 to 10 one, 11 to 20 another student. You can choose on your own,
Sir, can I,
or
sir?
I will call out the name, whichever is better.
Can I,
Who's
sir?
Sir,
that?
may I, sir? Sir, may I? Umang.
Yeah, everybody is telling.
So may I?
Just tell your name, please. Sorry, I couldn't see your names. As I told,
Aditya, sir.
this is not my laptop, so I'm struggling hard with this laptop. Aditya, yes, you can proceed. Shreya, you answered already, right?
Yes, sir. One.
Sir,
Okay,
Azan.
Aditya. There are
Two. The.
okay. No, Aditya, and then Azan. Okay, Azan King, right? Yeah, first these two, and then there are so many
Yes,
numbers
sir.
coming up. So don't worry, everybody has a chance.
Yes.
Yes, you can start, Aditya.
One. One. Two.
No,
The.
just only in French.
Three. Okay, sir. A. The. Trois. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. Huit. Neuf. Dix. Ounce. Only 10, sir, or 20?
Only 10. The next 10 will be by Azan. Yes, start.
Okay, sir.
Azan.
11, 12, 13,
Yes, start.
cuatros, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1.
20. Repeat, 20.
20.
Okay, how do you pronounce number 14?
Cuatros. Cuatros. Yes.
14.
14.
Okay, 14 is 14.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Number 21, you can just listen carefully. VINGT, va, a, a. Okay. So here 21 is pronounced as vanth, a, vante a. So 20 is va. Okay. 21, vanth, a, vante a, 21. So ET means and. So I'm pronouncing 20 as va, VINGT. I'm not pronouncing GT. But in 21, I'm pronouncing GT also because of that vowel E. Vantea. 22, VINGT. And ET will be replaced with a small hyphen. Hyphen is also important. And then number 2, va, the. Va, the. So what will be number 23?
Wang Trua.
Yes. Okay. Is there Gautami Jyoti Nathan? Is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. How do you pronounce number 28?
Van Wheat.
Wheat. Okay. The new joiner, who's that? Mridula, right?
Yes, sir.
Mridula VK number 407.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you pronounce number 25? Tell.
Wang Sank.
Van Sank. Okay. Pavitra. Pavitra is there? No, absent. Okay. Logeshwaran.
Yes, sir.
29.
29.
How do you tell
Vat
29? Yes.
Nuf.
Van Nef.
Nuf.
Fine. Okay. Fine. Thank you. So now number 32. What's her name? Ashita Srivastava. Yeah, Ashita Srivastava. Is there? Fine. Starting from 21 to 29. All together.
From 21 to 29.
No, 21 to 29. All, everything.
So va the
Pantheon. So look into the screen. I think the screen is visible, right?
va de a
Yes, please read. Okay.
va the va toa
Okay.
va katra
Okay.
va sank
Okay.
va sis
Okay.
va set
Okay.
va wheat
Okay.
va nef.
Okay. Okay. And 30 will be pronounced as pront. Okay, 30 is pronounced as pront. Prente. Okay. 30 pront. 31. How do you pronounce 31? Pront. So as I told, this numbers, okay, all one series, okay, starting from 21 to 81. Remember this? 21 to 81. 80, okay, 71 exactly. 21 to 71. All one series will be having ET. Only one series like 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, and 71. The rest of the numbers will be having an hyphen. So 31 will be pronounced as 31. 31. 30, 30. 31, 31. 32, 32. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Did you get it? So all the numbers are same format. As I told, 1 to 20 is important. After that, each word like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You will having a new word for the numbers. Along with the new words, if you add another number, you will have to use the same numbers, replacing the same numbers along with the new words. For example, 40, 41 is same. And the 3, 4 you are going to add with the new word. So 32 will be 32. 33, 33. So I forgot to put the hyphen. Please use it. You guys are clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number 40.
Yes, sir.
40 will be. Thank you. Number 40 is pronounced as Quarante. So how do you pronounce 40? Just give it a try.
Karant.
Karan, sir.
So, sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Karant.
Karan.
Okay. So QU is, yes, QU is perfect. QU is pronounced as K. Karant. 41.
Quarante.
Perfect. 41, 42. Perfect. So 45 is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and number 50 is 50. 50, 50. So we'll stop here, 50. So once I complete all the numbers more than 100 or 1000, I'll call your register numbers in French. Okay, if you need attendance, you have to be responsive. So learn the numbers. So for example, if I'm going to call Azan, is the first number. I will just call him. His number is 39. Yes, please. Yes, proceed. Someone started some question.
39.
Yes. So his name will be 39. Okay, so I will call Thronef. He has to answer yes, oui, present, anything. So if he's there inside the class, okay. So learn the numbers. So your register number, complete register number 201100101100. So you can just proceed with the numbers which you already know. The 0, 0, nef, like that. Normally, or huge numbers are pronounced in a different way. So that we will see it in the next class. Now I call upon the attendance. Okay, since my system is not good, it's
So I
getting
have a doubt.
hanged up. Yes. Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, how do we pronounce 50?
50,
How do we pronounce that?
50.
Yes, sir.
50.
Okay, sir.
50. 50.
70, 70.
So I'll just call the number. 70 we'll see in the next class. Okay, from 51 to not. I'm not going to call the numbers in French now. Don't worry. Call the numbers in English only. So next class we will see the numbers more than 50. Yes. Yes, Shreya.
So wouldn't there be a vowel clash in Throntea, in Karantea and all? Because
No, because
Thron,
we don't pronounce the last E. Tronth. Okay, the pronunciation of 30 is Tronth. And ET is A. Tronth, A.
Okay, sir. Mercy.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So I'll call the numbers. Please answer your call. Number 39,
Present, sir.
52,